Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Concept. Today we will be learning about how you can trade with the help of supply and demand zone. Right now, many of the viewers, they were asking me this question, like how you can draw the range in the chart. So today we will be doing that. Now before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link of Concept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free 25 tools here that you can use for your trading. Right now, in the learn section also we have our video library. So we have made multiple videos for you based on various Pro Plus tools and various strategies. So in your meantime, you can go and watch them. They are available in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil as well. Right now, at any point of time, if you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can go in the support section and you will get our contact number and email ID as well. Right, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Right, so guys, let's get back to today's topic, that is how you can create a range of supply and demand in your chart and how that will be useful for you. Okay, so let me take you to the blackboard first. Okay, now when we are talking about the supply and demand zone, so first what these terms are. Okay, so for example, right now a stock is moving at rupees 100, right? 100. Now if it falls, okay, and suppose now its price is 50 rupees, right? Now there is a motto of trading, right? What is that motto? So the motto of the trading is buy low and sell high. Buy low and sell high. Always buy when the price is low and always sell when the price is high. That is the motto of the trading, right? So when my price is low right now in comparison to the 100, okay, so that means now there will be some people who must be waiting for the price to get low, right? And they right now they want to take this position. Why? Because now the premium is less, right? For example, if something, just a second, what is this? Let me remove this. Okay, now suppose, for example, if the price of a particular asset is right now 50, okay, the price of a particular asset is right now 50, okay, just a second, something is not right. Okay, suppose the price of some stock is right now 50, right, and it has fallen down from 100 rupees, right? Now there must be some buyers who must be waiting for it कि price low हो गया, खरीद लेता हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि everyone wants stocks और asset in a lower price. जब उनका प्राइस कम होता है, so people want to take it because वो low होता है. दूसरा, उनको लगता है कि now it is at its low, तो maybe it can show some reversal, right? These are the two things, right? तो अगर इसका प्राइस कम है तो it means demand increase होगी, and if there will be demand, so it means there will be more buyers. Okay, and if there will be more buying, it means now the price of this particular stock will increase. ठीक है, तो ये क्या करेगा, ये 50 से फिर वापस जाएगा. It can go till 200, it can go till 150, okay, and so on, right? So it means when my price came here, so I can now analyze this point as my demand zone, right? It means whenever my price comes at this zone, so there is a aggressive buying यहाँ पे start हो जाती है because of that increase in demand, right? Similarly, if my price will reach at a point जहाँ पे उसका premium काफी महंगा हो जाएगा, right? Like example 200, 150, 300 पहुंच चुका है. So at the time what will happen? Now the supply will increase. ठीक है, जब ज्यादा सप्लाई इंक्रीज हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा, देयर विल बी सम पीपल हु विल डू द अग्रेसिव सेलिंग वहां पे स्टार्ट करेंगे, एंड फ्रॉम देयर विल बी अ सप्लाई जोन क्रिएट हो जाएगा वहां पे, फ्रॉम वेयर द प्राइस विल फेस रिजेक्शन एंड अगेन इट विल कम डाउन, राइट? नाउ हम यहां से देख सकते हैं कि प्राइस इज मेंटेनिंग अ डेफिनेट पैटर्न, मेंटेन कर रहा है, एक पैटर्न के साथ चल रहा है कि प्राइस महंगा हुआ, देन इट केम डाउन, ओके, देन द प्रीमियम्स आर लेस, देन इट केम, देन इट गोज अबव, फिर प्रीमियम महंगा हुआ, देन इट केम डाउन. ठीक है, सो दिस साइकिल रिमेन्स इन योर मार्केट एज वेल. ठीक है, तो किसी भी चीज का अगर प्राइस लो होता है तो वहां पे एक जोन पक्का होगा जो क्या करेगा, फ्रॉम वेयर द बाइंग विल स्टार्ट. सिमिलरली देयर विल बी अ जोन इन द अपवर्ड साइड फ्रॉम वेयर द सेलिंग विल स्टार्ट, राइट? सो नाउ how you can analyze those zones. Okay, so we will be seeing that in our chart. So let's open the Concept application first. In the analyze section we have charts, order and trade, right? Charts, order and trade. Now right now I have opened the stock here, that is Bata India, and right now I am analyzing it in 5 minutes. But if I want to trade in 5 minutes, so I will make, or if I want to take the trades in 1 minute as well, okay, so I will make my supply and demand zone in 15 minutes time frame. That will give me a more consolidated reading, right? So in 15 minutes time frame, I can see Bata India. Just wait a second. I can see Bata India, okay. So this was the Bata India. Now there are multiple support and resistance zone, right? But what I'll do, I will just pick a point from where, for example, this was the zone from where my market was making a zone here. Okay, so I think it was approximately, just a second. So, okay, so I can say this was the point, okay, from where a good buying movement started here, right? If I'll mark you, okay, so I can see from this point a good buying movement started, okay, and after that my market is in uptrend for a while, right? So what I'll do, I'll mark this point as my zone. Okay, now how you can create a zone? So you just have to analyze the lowest candle, okay, and for example this was your lowest candle, and then just mark the body or the high of the low of the market like this, okay, and this will be created as your zone. Okay, so the overall body of the lowest candle will be your zone, right? So whenever your market will be reach here, so there will be a reversal of the price, or you can say the rejection of the price, right? Now let's see this example. So suppose this was my lowest candle, right? This was my lowest candle, and from there from where the price got rejected. So what I'll do, I'll choose the price range here, choose the price range here, and I will apply this price range to the body of this lowermost candle, and like this, okay. So I'll mark this as like this, okay. So what I'll do, I will mark the low and high of the candle, okay. I'm unable to do so right now. Okay, just suppose it is like this, okay. Now I have marked the low of this candle. Now if I'll extend it here, if I'll extend it here, okay, like this, perfect, okay. So if I'll extend this, so I can see this zone. This was the same zone from where my market again came down. Okay, my market again came down to this level, and again there was a very good movement that was started here. It means when I made this zone, so I was clear that my market will come again at this zone, and whenever it will come again at this zone, so from there will be a rejection of the price. So the price rejected here, and again it went in the upward direction, right? If I'll see again here, just a second. Again I can see my price came to this level, okay, came to this zone, but this time it successfully broken it down, and then I can see a good movement in the downward direction as well, right? So this is how you can create zone. So I have created a supply zone here for you. Similar way you can also create a demand zone for you, right? You can create a demand zone. So I have taken the example of a stock here. Let's take an example of a indice also. So let me take you to the Bank Nifty first. Okay, so this is the chart of Bank Nifty. Now in Bank Nifty, what I'll do, I will create some supply and demand zone. Okay, so for that I'll take a 1 hour candle here. Okay, so this is my 1 hour candle. Now clearly I can see in 1 hour candle my market was taking some rejections. Okay, so I'll plot those level. So first level was this. Let me mark it. Okay, so for suppose your market was lowest point was this, right? Just give me a second. Okay, so this was the lowermost candle. So what I'll do, this was the lowermost candle, okay, and I'll mark this lowermost candle as my zone, the body of this lowermost candle. Okay, like this, right? So now I have created my demand zone here. So if my price right now, you can see my price is falling, it is continuously falling, right? So I will not make a move in the upward direction right now. I'll not make a trade in the upward direction till my price reaches at this zone. Now whenever it will reach at this zone, only then I'll make a trade in the upward direction, okay, and I can buy a call option when my bank nifty will reach here. Okay, so at that time I will when it will reach here, I will have to wait for a green candle, and when it will break it out this zone, so I'll mark the high of that candle as my entry point, and you can use the lower band of this zone as your SL, as your stop loss, right? Similarly, if your market bank nifty will break this zone like this, a red candle will break it, so you will make the low of that candle as your entry point and the higher band of this zone as your SL, right? So this is how you can use your zones as your entry point as well if your market will reach here at any point of time, right? तो मैंने आपको एक स्टॉक का एग्जांपल भी दे दिया, एक बैंक निफ्टी का भी एग्जांपल दे दिया. आई होप गाइस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर नाउ. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई, यू कैन लाइक इट, यू कैन शेयर योर व्यूज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एज वेल. गाइस, इफ यू आर न्यू हियर, यू कैन सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एज वेल. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज योर ट्रेनर अंकित सिंह रावत. हैव अ वेरी गुड डे.